everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. Today's video, I'm coming at you with a clean face because we are going to talk about skincare and all of the skincare products that I've been using that I love, and I do have quite a variation, so I will try to go fast. But I really wanted to share it with you because I've been so proud of my skin. I started to see some effects of aging young. It just kind of runs in my family, so I've really been counteracting that effect. And I wanted to share with you guys exactly what I do to kind of keep my skin from aging at a young age. And I also just really want to show you some things that I really truly love and I fully believe in. Just a quick shout out, if you guys love the Jonas Brothers, this is some of their new merch I bought, but let me know in the comments below. That is the question of the day. Let me know who your favorite band is, if you loved the Jonas Brothers, if you still love the Jonas Brothers, and if you're going to see their concert, because this girl's going to see their concert. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I just cleansed my skin in the shower. I used the same two products that I've mentioned in my previous skincare video. It's been a really long time, so I don't know how long ago I made that. But I used the Purity Face Cleanser from Philosophy, and then I follow up with a deep cleanser, and I use the Burt's Bees Deep Cleansing Cream. This is really, really awesome because it kind of gives this like, not like tingling, but like cooling effect to the skin, and the longer you have it on the skin, the cooling effect takes place. So these two are like a match made in heaven for me. I've been using them forever. So I did just get out of the shower. I'm going to be walking you through my skincare routine so that way you guys can kind of see what I do. I don't tone my skin every single day. If I do, I use either the Thayer's Witch Hazel. This is the aloe vera formula with the coconut water scent, but if there's like a ton of different variations, but they all basically do the same thing. So when I don't use the Thayer's toner, I use the Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. This is a spray, and I really, really like this. So I'm just going to spritz my face. And I sprayed quite a bit of it because it smells so good and it just feels really, really refreshing on the skin. So as that kind of soaks into the skin, I'm going to talk about a couple of different serums that I use and the order of the products that I go in. So first I want to talk about the different serums that I use. They kind of rotate and they all have a different purpose. I don't use all of them every single day because that's overkill. My main go-to serum is the Origins A Perfect World Serum. This is the Age Defense Skin Guardian with white tea. So this is supposed to prevent aging. It is not something that has super high retinol or anything. It just prevents the effects of aging. And then I usually, when I use that, when I mix it with a retinol, and this is the retinol serum from First Aid Beauty. This is a small percentage of retinol, and when you are starting off with retinol, start with a smaller percentage because you don't know how your skin will react. So this is a 0.25% pure concentrate. This says sensitive and beginner on it, so you can get this I think you can get this at Sephora, but usually I will do these two guys together, or I will do a couple other ones on their own, which I'm going to share with you. So sometimes I will use the Saturday Skin. This is such a pretty bottle. It's a iridescent bottle. The brand is Saturday Skin, and it is the Bright Potion Probiotic Power Serum. This is supposed to just be a brightening effect to the skin, which is supposed to give your skin a little bit more of a glow, a little bit more of a youthful look to it. Then I also have another glowing serum, and that is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. Sometimes I will use this with my other two serums to mix them in because they all have different purposes, and I like to really give my skin as many nutrients and good things to feed into the skin as possible. The last one that I use on its own, and it is the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer and Serum. So this is a 2-in-1 product. It's really, really nice. This is supposed to prevent aging. It's a actually very highly rated serum, which is why I tried it out, and I really, really like this. So today I'm going to actually show you guys my triple serum effect. And the reason I want to do that is because I really want to show you the true routine of what I would do normally. And then a really quick mention, I love face oils too. I don't always use them. It's very rare, and it's usually in the winter when my skin is super dry. And I use the Kopari Save Face Oil, and it just looks like this. They match, the two products match together. So big fan of Kopari. They have a really good line of products, and I love all of the different things that they come out with. So I'm going to start with my Origins A Perfect World. I will use 1 pump of this. You don't need a lot of serum. Usually if a serum tells you to use a certain amount, there's a reason to it. And you always want to do your serum right after the toner, because you want the products that are the most effective to sink into the skin first. So when your skin is still dry, you want to first, not necessarily dry it up, but use that toner to kind of prep the skin for the serums. The next one I'm going to use is the Retinol Serum from First Aid Beauty. I usually do a 1.5 pumps of this just because it's a smaller pump amount. And I will put this on the skin, focusing it really everywhere, but I really try to get really good in the T-zone area, the forehead, because that is where I'm trying to prevent the most wrinkles, and then of course around the mouth. And then the last serum, just for brightening and just kind of an extra effect, I go into the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Brightening Serum. And this comes with a dropper. So I prep the dropper inside. I try to get like a full dropper amount. It's a little bit of a stickier serum. And I like the consistency of this because it's kind of like jelly and it's a little sticky, but it feels really good on the skin. Now, a product I never skip and I love so much and I need to repurchase because I'm almost out is the Origins Original Skin Essence Lotion with Dual Ferment Complex. I don't make this specific one anymore. Any essence will really do, any product that is a liquid lotion. And I follow the format of Korean skincare or Asian skincare, I'm not sure if it's Korean or not, where you do like the multiple layers of product, where you do serum, the toner, the serums, then you do an essence to give a quick burst of hydration into the skin. And it's so lightweight. I love the feeling. Oh, it's just the best. So it's just one of the best things ever. The essence lotion, like, it really, you don't have to be super specific. It's literally a liquid lotion. I wouldn't say I see like remarkable changes in my skin based on this one product, but when working with a ton of other things in the morning, I can just see my skin is a lot more plump, and I really owe it to this one. So my second to last step is the Bye Bye Under Eye Eye Cream. And this, I don't use eye cream every night. I know I should. I use my ring finger, of course, and I just pat this in. This is a sample, but I don't go through eye cream very fast. So eye cream is very important if you have dark under eye circles like me, or if you see any wrinkles forming and you want to prevent that, you want to fill those lines in with some moisture, make sure the skin stays nice and hydrated. It's just really important. I always bring the remainder like right above, not on my eyelid, but above, like right above there where the crease would be. The last product is the face cream or the night moisturizer, day moisturizer, whatever moisturizer you use. And it is so vital to do this last because it's kind of like the item that seals all of the other skincare items in. So it's the last thing that's going to be absorbed into the skin. It's going to last the longest, and it's just going to have really great effects to your skin. Now I use 2 different ones. I rotate them again. One is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is really, really lightweight. This is more of a daytime moisturizer for me. It is a very thin jelly consistency. It smells like watermelon. It's great. And then this is the other one, which is the First Aid Beauty Skin Rescue Daily Face Cream Oil-Free, non-comedogenic, safe for sensitive skin. And I usually just do 2.5 pumps, I guess, of that. And this is a traditional face cream. There's no smell. And this really sinks everything and seals the deal and keeps my skin nice and hydrated. It is a incredible, incredible feeling. I love skincare. It's like one of my new favorite things and very important, especially at my age when I'm trying to prep myself as I get older. So now I wanted to do a couple of quick mentions. The first is I do a lash serum. I have gone through quite a few different brands, and my favorite of all time is the Revitalash Advanced Conditioning Serum. This is the one I recently picked up from the Nordstrom sale, and you just apply this like you would apply eyeliner, really close to those lashes. like almost on the root of the lashes, and it takes a while to see the results, but once you do, it's really, really nice. And then the other special mention I wanted to do is if I am needing a serious like moisture balm on my face, I like to use the Origins Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask to quench the skin's thirst. This is such a nice skin mask. It's an overnight mask. You put it on late at night. You do not want to put this on early because it does stay on your skin for a long time. And it just keeps your skin so hydrated. You wake up in the morning feeling so like your skin just feels like plump, I guess. And I don't use this every day. I don't recommend using it every day, but use it on those days where you really feel like you could just use that extra little bit of moisture. And I really, really highly recommend it, and I think that it's worth trying this if you've ever tried an overnight mask. They're all different, but I really strongly recommend this one. I think it is a great product. So that is it. That is my skincare routine. I know I showed you guys a ton of products. If you have any questions, of course, just leave your comments down below. But these are the products I use. What is your favorite part of your skincare routine? Because my favorite is just like almost making the potions that fit perfectly for my skin. It's like making my own skincare, and I really enjoy that. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe down at the button below. Give this video a like if you like this video with all of my nice skincare, fun, routine stuff. And let me know what you guys would like to see next. I love you all so much, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys!